Hey, so it's Wes here, and I was just going to make a quick video about the lift kit on my truck. I have the Bilstein 5100s all around. They're set at 2.5 inches on the front and at stock height on the back. No spacers or anything like that. I did buy some Daystar spacers, but the install guys, once they got the lift kit on there, they didn't really think it was needed. They thought it would make the rake back to stock rake, and I did not want that. So my car, like I said, is 2.5 up front and basically stock in the back, and it rides pretty level. It has a slight kind of higher front end, but it's not really that bad, and I love the look of it, so I can't complain. Yesterday we went off-roading, and I mean, look, it has a great, looks great. I mean, I love the way it looks now with it. I can use some definitely bigger tires now, but anyways, that's another video. But anyways, I went off-roading with these yesterday and was really impressed with how they performed. The rebound and it's everything. I don't know too much, I'm not a technical person when it comes to this stuff, but the rebound and how how it hit the whoops and stuff like that, and ruts and stuff like that with the old suspension, and how you kind of brace and you're waiting for this big bad like body roll that happens, and with these shocks you just boom boom boom, and it just eats it up, and it transitions like very little energy to the body. They definitely do their job. It's no longer I have these like kind of donkey kind of body rolls that I was having. On the streets it rides awesome. You hit a pothole or something and you barely even feel it. Cornering and braking, 100% improvement over what the stock was. Just really cannot say enough about this. Still kind of dirty from yesterday. I will probably end up doing upper control arms and beefier springs in the front, but that's down the road. I don't have any immediate plans on doing that. And I'm really happy with the look of it. I think it's pretty cool. Need better tires, but honestly these tires do really well. I was in pretty deep mud yesterday and they were fully inflated and they performed awesome. Like I didn't really have a way to reinflate my tires, so I just kept them inflated. We were going through super deep sand, rutted sand, and then some really nasty mud spots that I thought for sure I was going to get stuck, but never did. And these are the Iron Man all country ATs. They're really affordable. This is the second set that I've had on there, and probably not going to use them again, only because I'm going to go with just a more aggressive tire next time around. Has nothing really to do with the tires themselves. I just want something beefier now that I have the lift kit. So anyways, hope you enjoyed this little video, and I highly recommend the Bilstein 5100s for your rig.